Welcome back. If you are a user of Microsoft Word and you use it for writing, you may be familiar with the Spelling and Grammar tool and the Thesaurus tool, and these have been traditionally available to users of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Office. As of the recording of this video, there is a new tool available using AI, and it's called the Microsoft Editor. You're going to see it here in this area inside of the Review menu. It's also available on the Home menu. And what you're going to do is to activate the editor mode. What will happen is that the editor will then analyze your document, and it will determine if you have elements that need to be corrected, and it will tell you what those elements are. What you can also do is you can determine a different voice for your content. What has been specified already is that the content has been formal, and so formal is the appropriate element to be selected here. What you can then do is to clarify any issues that the editor has raised. And you're going to see an element here that the AI has decided that needs to be fixed. And you'll notice that the editor has determined that the article is appropriate for formal writing. So one thing that you'll want to do is to move your content through the Microsoft Word editor to determine if there are elements that you can fix. Now, if you don't use Microsoft, you can typically get a browser extension of a Grammarly grammar checker that you can add to either Microsoft Edge or use it along with Google Docs if you use their browser. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.